And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the article tag. It's another simple tag that's just used to give your website structure. It defines self-contained content and it's usually used for blog posts, forum posts, or news stories. It doesn't do anything about the formatting and browser display. But as I've said, it gives your website structure. It's for search engines, for screen readers. You usually use it like this. So you need opening and closing tag, and nested inside are then headings, paragraphs, lists, sometimes images. So all of this stuff can be part of an article, and the article is just a container tag or container element for all of the things that can make an article. If I save and refresh it, you can see right here, it just looks like regular plain text and headings. So there is nothing added in the sense of formatting to it by adding this article element. On some websites you can also see more than one article. So a single web page doesn't have to be about just one article. You can have multiple on the same page. And again, it doesn't really change anything about the formatting. But still, try to use it when you've got an article. Use it as a container. You can select it later on in CSS. And once again, it's a good idea to have for screen readers and for search engines. And this is how you can use the article tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.